Hello?
Where are you? We needed you 15 minutes ago.
I'm at Safeway. I just got matcha.
Dude, get over here now.
Oh my. I'm late. Where we at?
Where you been?
Script. Matcha. You know, actually, matcha is really good.
Get in there!
Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm here. Don't worry. I'm here. Okay, yeah, that's my part. I'm just in there. We ready? You ready? We came ready. Alright. Action.
What's up, Vikes? My name is Renz Garcia.
And I'm Jackson Renland. And we're your hosts for today. We've had a great year so far, a great month, and now I think it's about to be a great day.
There's been a lot of ups and downs this semester, but today we're focusing on the ups, so turn that frown upside down. Dang, that's a good line. I'm gonna write that one down. No.
Well, House of Blue has been hard at work this year, capturing each moment, working on lights, camera, and today we're going to bring you action in a whole new format.
That being House of Blue Wrapped, a hopefully ongoing summary of each semester in different categories.
From the gym to the field, from the court to the pool, and from here to who knows where. Sports are a big part of our community, so I'm going to hand it over to our local experts, Zach and Ashley. Take it away.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Zach.
And welcome to the sports segment of
House of Blue Wrapped.
We have a lot of sports so far this year and lots more coming, so let's get right into it.
Starting off with varsity football, we were unfortunately eliminated in the first round of Foothill following a lot of injuries, including Titus.
Wishing them all a speedy recovery.
However, we finished 7-4 with a record of 5-0 in league.
And on top of that, we won the Almond Bowl this year. Hopefully, you checked out some of the great videos, including the game coverage by Donovan and Diego and the 2025 Almond Bowl hype video.
For our underclassmen, JV finished 8-1-1.
With their one tie coming in the Almond Bowl.
Hey, I mean, it's better than losing.
Yeah, all right. Anyways, the freshmen did great too, with a record of 9-1.
Overall, all our football teams had successful seasons, and congrats to the coaches and players.
Moving over to volleyball, covered by me and Zach this year.
Our varsity Vikes finished 9-1 in league this year with some notable players including Natalie the Wolf, placing top 3 in Northern Section in hit percentage and kills.
And Audrey Farrow dropping 762 assists in the season. That's 500 more than the next player.
That's impressive.
Let's also give some props to our tennis team and swim athletes.
For our swim team, the boys took the win in the fishbowl, and at the recent Masters meet, junior Holden Campos with a time of 1:51 in the 100 fly, which makes it the 3rd fastest time in Northern Section history.
And for the girls, sophomore Addison McKay took 1st in the 200 IM in the same Masters meet.
Good job to all our swimmers. We look forward to seeing all of you at the Polar Plunge this winter.
For girls tennis, freshmen Remy Hunter and Kendall Harrigan are 6-2 in doubles and finding success in singles as well.
Looks like we might have a future dream team here.
I thought we were the dream team.
Oh yeah, whatever. So how'd your field hockey season go?
It went pretty well actually.
Yeah, I heard you had the most saves on the team.
Yep, and shout out to all the rest of the team. It was a great year and we're looking forward to the next.
Yeah, and hopefully you saw some of our field hockey videos from Renz and Dom.
Yeah, go check those out. And also check out the cross country sending 10 runners into states. And that about wraps up our sports segment for this year.
We have a girls and boys soccer, wrestling, and basketball starting up as well.
So we look forward to seeing you guys at all the games.
Yep, be sure to check out our upcoming videos. Back to you, Jackson Renz.
2, 3.
All right, ready up, guys. Action.
41, 42, 43. Sorry about that, guys. Just caught me in the middle of set.
Bro. Put those away.
Hey, there's matcha outside. Matcha?
Got the cup when it hurt.
Woo! Give me some matcha. Yes, sir. Okay.
Finally got those guys out of here.
Took forever.
Okay, so there have been a lot of cool events this first semester, and we're gonna go over them all. Why don't you start us off, Casey?
Sure thing. So to start off, we had Club Day, which was an amazing day where the freshmen and all the other grades got to see what amazing clubs we have here on campus.
Then we headed over to Homecoming Week, which had the Freshman Tailgate, which was a great event for the freshmen to start the school year off.
And we had the Homecoming Rally, which was great, a great way to get hyped for the football game.
The homecoming game happened with the court right in the middle of it during the halftime, which crowned the king and queen.
And to end the week off, we had the homecoming dance, which was held in the gym. The theme was neon and was held by PV Stugo.
After that, we headed to the Almond Bowl, which is the biggest game of the year, and we had a great rally to get us hyped for the epic duel at Chico High. Of course, we won. Then our band participated in the Tournament of Champions and placed second.
Didn't they have a concert on Tuesday?
Then we had more chill events like Pastels on the Quad, which had very great vibes, and the Fall Carnival, which had very spooky energy.
We also had the Romeo and Juliet play, which was a great production with amazing actors.
And the Christmas rally this last Friday.
Finally, we had twerps in November.
Hey, you guys are in script?
Bro, those trespassers out, bro. Finally.
Yeah, man.
Oh my goodness.
All right, let's see. Oh, we gotta send over Troy and Diego.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Troy Vu, and I'm with a stranger. Stranger? You know who I am, right? My name's Diego. Oh! Anyways, talking about strangers, did you know that Stranger Things Season 5 is out? It's been 3 years since Season 4. You wanna know what's even more stranger? That the next 3 episodes are gonna release on December 25th, and the finale is gonna release on December 31st. But you wanna know what else has been massive? Five Nights at Freddy's 2 movies. And I've heard good things from the fans. Critics, on the other hand, not so much. Even though I haven't watched it yet, I'm really excited. But I think it's time to move on to the music. Do you know that K-pop Demon Hunters was the #1 song on the Billboard Hot 100 for 8 weeks straight? 8 weeks? Yep. Not long enough to be on my Spotify Wrapped, though. Talking about Spotify Wrapped, how old are you? I'm, 77. 77? Bro, I'm only 32. Moving on from my age on Spotify, Game of the Year is right around the corner, and man, I'm excited to see who wins this year. But who are the candidates for Game of the Year? The candidates are Claire Obscure, Death Stranding 2, Donkey Kong Bonanza, Hades 2, Kingdom Deliverance 2, and finally, Silksong, which we have been waiting patiently 7 years for. I personally want Silksong to win Game of the Year. What about you? I don't care who wins. As long as it's not Astrobot, then I'm a happy man. Breaking news. I've just been informed that the Fortnite Battle Bus got destroyed. Play the clip. Wow. We send our regards to the Battle Bus, and we hope you have a happy holidays. Now back to you, Jackson.
Wow. Thank you, you two.
Those are some really good movies.
Which one was your favorite?
Oh, you know the one. I like the one.
I don't care.
Okay. Now that we've done a lot, we have some questions for you guys.
Take it away, Ashley and Marcos.
This is Hall Pass. What are you asking Santa for Christmas?
Oh, #1 on my Santa list is more time with my grandson.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Hi, what do you want Santa to give you this Christmas? A girlfriend.
Hey, Sierra. What are you asking Santa for Christmas? The main thing I want is a Coach purse. Ooh, okay.
Hi, quick question. What's your favorite holiday movie?
It was always been Nightmare Before Christmas. That was my favorite.
What? Why Nightmare Before Christmas?
Because it's a classic. Who doesn't like it?
She ain't wrong.
What are you asking Santa for Christmas?
A new car.
What kind of car?
A Urus.
What's a Urus?
It's a Lamborghini.
Yeah. Hi, quick question. What's your favorite holiday movie?
Christmas Vacation, of course.
What are you asking Santa for Christmas?
Oh gosh. I want a guitar.
A guitar?
Yeah, I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What kind of songs?
Maybe some Daniel Caesar, represent the ladies.
Okay.
Hi, quick question. What's your favorite holiday movie?
Oh, my favorite holiday movie. I would have to say It's a Wonderful Life is my favorite classic holiday movie.
Gosh. What's your favorite Christmas movie?
My favorite Christmas movie is Die Hard.
Die Hard. Is that even a Christmas movie?
Why not?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I'm a mama.
That's it for Hall Pass today. Back to Jackson and Renz.
Thank you, Marcos and Ashley.
Well, as you can see, it's been an eventful semester here at PV.
And it looks like next semester is going to be even better.
Everyone here at House of Blue wants to wish everybody a good luck on their finals.
Alongside an amazing holidays and an awesome winter break.
We thank everyone who has made it this far, and on behalf of House of Blue, we want to say thank you.
Psych!
No. Cut,
That's
no,
a wrap.
cut it
That's
out.
a wrap.
Practice your guys' first 3 lines.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Zach.
And welcome.
This is why we practice.
I can't. Bro, lock in. You only have watch outside. We're gonna run off the set.
Watch
it. Your watch it. All right.
And the course is. And the.
I am.